Hello students, welcome to the 8th video lecture of Digital System Design. Today we will learn about binary coded decimal, that is BCD codes. Binary becomes cumbersome. The binary coding system called as straight binary code becomes very cumbersome to handle when used to represent larger decimal numbers. To overcome this shortcoming and also to perform many other special functions, several binary codes have evolved over the years. Some of the better non-binary codes, including those used efficiently to represent numeric and alphanumeric data, and the codes used to perform special functions such as detection and correction of errors, are binary coded decimal, access 3 code, gray code. Two widely used alphanumeric codes includes ASCII, that is American Standard Code for Information Interchange, and EBCDIC, that is Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. In this lecture, we will learn about binary coded decimal, that is BCD. The binary coded decimal is a type of binary code used to represent given decimal number in an equivalent binary form. BCD to decimal and decimal to BCD conversions are very easy and straightforward. It is also far less cumbersome an exercise to represent given decimal number in an equivalent BCD code than to represent it in the equivalent straight binary form. Here is the table relating given decimal number with its corresponding BCD number and also corresponding binary number. So as we can see, from 0 to 9, the BCD number 0000 is starting from 0000 and reaching to 1001. Similarly, from 0 to 9 decimal, the binary number starting from 0000 and reaching to 1001. So we can say that the BCD number is directly equal to binary number if we write for 0 to 9. But for example, if we write the BCD number for 10, so as the BCD number is equivalent to 4 binary bit only, it is bit specific. For a specific decimal bit, the BCD number belong to 4 binary number. Since in 10 there are 2 decimal bits, so corresponding to 1 we need to write 0001 for BCD, and corresponding to 0 we need to write 0000 for BCD, so that your BCD number will be of 8 bit. Again remember, the BCD number is equivalent to specific decimal bit, and specific decimal bit will be replaced by 4 binary bits if we are talking about BCD. Fine. But if we are talking about binary number, you just need to divide given 10 by a 2, so you will get 1010 as a binary number. Similarly, if we want to find out BCD number for 14 as a decimal number, so you need to replace 1 by a 0001 and just a minute, 1 by a 0001 and 4 by a 0110. But in case of binary, you just need to divide 14 by a 2 till we get remainder 1, and after that you will get 1110. So as you can see, the BCD number is too much larger in size, but the process of converting given decimal number into BCD is quite easy. The BCD equivalent of decimal number is written by replacing each decimal digit in the integer and fractional parts with its 4-bit binary equivalent. As an example, the BCD equivalent of 23.15, as we can see. So here 23.15 is given as a decimal number. We need to convert this number into BCD. So what we basically need to do, you just need to replace given decimal bit by a corresponding 4-bit BCD number. So corresponding to 2 we are having 0010, corresponding to 3 we have 0011, and here also corresponding to 1 we have 0001, and corresponding to 5 we have 0101. So this is the process by which we can directly convert given decimal number into BCD. If we would have been converted, if we want to convert this 23.15 into binary number, so the process is already we have done in our previous lecture. 23 will be divided by 2 till we get remainder 1, and 15.15 will be multiplied by 2. Okay, and then after the number generated will be called as binary number. So we can say that conversion of decimal number into binary may take some time, but conversion of decimal number into BCD is quite easy, and it takes very less time. But the disadvantage with BCD number is that its length is too much higher than the corresponding binary number.